In this video, we'll be taking you on a tour around this Airbnb apartment, Vicole Luxury Apartment, located along James Close, off Dubik Road, 7 Up Obo Hill, Aba. Join me on this tour. Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, can I get to meet you?
Okay, I'm Victor, the one in charge of Vicole Luxury Apartments.
Okay.
The best Airbnb apartment here in the city of Aba, and also the first of its kind here in Aba.
Really?
Yes, because they have other apartments, but this is an Airbnb apartment to tell you that you are very secure. That's the number one thing. We maintain this security consciousness for our clients, because there are normal apartments, but whenever you go through Airbnb, you know that you are truly covered in the apartment. There is anything that happens to you, who will be sued for it. So that's why, yes.
So can we go around and see the apartment?
Sure. And this is the parlor, the sitting room. This is the dining, where you can just have your guests here, and the dining over there. Such a serenity here. At least you can see when you were coming in.
Yes.
Then I will still have to show you the rooms.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So this is here is a 3-bedroom apartment. We have 3, we have 2, and we have 1 bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment. This is the master bedroom, where maybe the other in charge or something will be here.
It is the master's bedroom?
Yes, this is the master's bedroom. Yeah, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. So let me show you the second room too, where maybe,
it's good.
Yeah, your wife and kids will stay. And mind you, every of the room has its own toilet. Its own, yeah.
Every room?
Wow. Like this now. This is your convenience. So this is the place you just have your stuff, and you might this might be for your wife or for the kids.
Okay.
And also it comes with a kitchen.
Okay, you have a kitchen?
Yes, we have a kitchen here. This is the kitchen. Like if you want to do anything cooking, this is just the place you come, and if you have a chef, even if you don't have, we can provide you with one. But we want to make sure that you are comfortable in our apartment. That's why we make out this reservation for the kitchen. Yes.
So you mean even if the person doesn't have a chef, you can provide chef?
Yes, we can provide chef for the person.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes. So this is the kitchen. Everything is working perfectly. You don't need to say, let me go and fill my gas. Everything perfectly well. The fridges are working very well. They are working. Everything is working.
Yeah, that's cool.
Even the microwave, everything is working perfectly.
So people are supposed to stock it with drinks?
Yeah, or you can even stock by yourself. Yes.
So which other place are you taking us to?
Okay, we still have, like here we have up to 6 apartments.
6 different apartments?
Yes, 6 different apartments.
That's nice.
This is we call this one the sunrise.
Okay.
The sunrise suite. Yes, this is the sunrise suite. So I will take you people to the Oasis, and we still have the cozy lounge, and all that.
So let's get to see those other places.
All right. And also this is your sit out, where you can just relax, receive fresh air and all that.
I love the setup.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice.
And one thing we do here also to protect our clients. Maybe if somebody comes to visit, we'll have to call you to confirm if really that person is coming to see you, and you need to update us ahead of time so we can inform our security people to know that this so person will be visiting so person, so it will not cause some improper and all that.
That's nice.
Yes, so we make sure that everything is, because your safety is one of our reputation to keep here. So let me show you the other apartment.
Okay, that's upstairs.
Yes, upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see every apartment has its own crafts, both for the interiors, the decors.
So this one is unique. It's different from the
Yes. So, all of them doesn't look the same. Like from the curtain, the cushions, the artworks, and everything. We make sure to give you different experience whenever you come.
People have Netflix here.
Yes, it's connected to.
Is it connected to internet?
Yes, it's connected, and every of our.
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, every of our customer is entitled to a free connection. You can do your browsing whenever you come here.
Really?
Yeah, you can do anything you want to do.
That's interesting.
So this is also a 3-bedroom apartment.
3-bedroom apartment.
Yes, it's also a 3-bedroom apartment. So I'll still.
Love the outside.
Yes, we also add a bit of culture. When people from the outside world visit, at least they can see something. They will be like, "Oh wow, this is cool."
Yeah.
So let me also show you around to the rooms. So this is also the master's bedroom.
Master's bedroom.
Yes, and you can see the wardrobe. Very spacious.
Very spacious wardrobe.
Yeah, it can contain all your cargos. Maybe when you arrive from.
Wow, this is very spacious.
So we just want you to enjoy standard and luxury at the same time. So this is it. It has its own restroom too over here. So everything here is just for you and for you alone. Someone cannot barge into your privacy. Once
you have a heater too.
Yes, and everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. And each of the room has their own decor. Like this artwork here is not the same artwork you're going to see in the other room.
Different artworks.
Different artworks. Different artworks. The second room. Yes.
This is another bedroom.
Yeah, another bedroom for your convenience. Yeah, the wardrobe too. It's very spacious, and you still have your restroom and all that. And the AC is working perfectly, 24/7 electricity. We have solar, we have our own transformer, and we have 2 big generators in case one fails. You cannot hold all these people at.
That's nice.
So that's just the thing. So this is the 3rd room here. Yes. This is the 3rd room. Everything made easy for you, and also you can see that the rooms are spacious.
Very spacious. I can see that.
They are very spacious. You barely see this in some other Airbnb, this spacious stuff. So we just want to make sure that our customers are very, very okay.
Your bedsheet and pillowcase.
Yes, they are all customized. Yes,
Vicole Luxury Apartments.
they are all customized. We believe in branding and all that. So we make sure that everything is very, very okay. Very, very okay for you. And this one has also a kitchen, a spacious, fully furnished kitchen.
Okay.
This is it, yes.
Also have an exit door there.
Yeah. So
It's really funny. You have everything, your plates, your cups.
even the pots
the
are there
kitchen
too.
utensils.
Yeah, they are here.
Okay.
Everything is.
So that means they don't need to bring anything while coming.
Yeah, they don't need to. Unless maybe they are
Maybe
cooking a bigger stuff. Maybe they are having a host, hosting some
Something
people.
like maybe a party. Or
Yes,
something like
yes,
that.
you can bring a bigger pot to do your cookings and all that. So the gas, so to make sure that because we believe in your safety as our guest. So the way we connected the cylinders, we made it in a way that it wouldn't be here in the apartment.
Okay.
Yeah, we channeled it.
Cylinder is outside.
It's outside the apartment.
That's nice.
So in case of anything happens, it's just for you to just turn on this place.
Okay.
Then you light up. You light it up. You light it up.
Wow.
Yes. So to make sure that you are safe, we have to channel everything outside.
Oh, that's nice. You guys are safety conscious.
You are safety conscious. That's just the thing, and that's the major stuffs you should be looking for to your clients.
This
Yes.
is your dining.
Yes.
Simple dining.
So, and also you can also use here for maybe executive meetings too.
Really?
Yeah, maybe if you don't want to lodge,
Okay.
you can just host an executive meeting whereby maybe a closed door or an indoor meeting whereby you don't want some people to know the personalities that you are meeting with. You can also like have them here, host them here, and after your stuff you can go. But if you want to sleep over, you can still sleep over. It's your apartment. Because one thing we believe that once ever you rent an apartment here, you're the one that owns it for that moment till your money expires. So we give back the value of what you give, because we believe in value, not even about the money. The value, we believe in the value, and we give you the best standard services, customer care that you need. If you want us to come do your cleanups and all that, we also do laundries.
This is Paris.
Yeah, this is Paris.
This is another apartment.
Yeah, this is the Paris apartment.
Paris. Yeah.
Yeah, this is called Paris. So you can see there is all different kind of setting here.
Yeah.
From the cushion, you see that there are two combinations.
Yeah.
The flower pots, the design here too. You see that it's quite different from others.
Yeah, the other design is
Yes, and this one has a mirror in the dining. So whereby,
the other ones, they don't have mirrors.
yes.
Yeah.
So this is one of our exclusive apartments. Yes, it's one of our exclusive apartments. But it can actually get to everyone. You get, yeah, everybody can afford it actually. So this is the sitting room where you have your dinner, lunch, breakfast with your client, with your family and friends. And also here we do offer a welcome coffee.
Really?
Yes, at your arrival.
That's interesting.
And we give you a shampoo,
Okay.
a soap,
Okay.
a cream.
Really?
Yeah, even laundry.
Give them free of charge.
Yeah, free of charge.
Guests.
Even a toothbrush and a paste.
Wow.
Then we'll give you your soup for your kitchen dishes and all that. Even a hamper and all that.
Nice.
So for this, we have this style in a 3-bedroom and also a 2-bedroom.
Okay, this 2-bedroom.
Yeah, this is a 2-bedroom, but we still have this exact design in 3-bedroom too. So this is the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom.
It's spacious.
Yes, very, very special. And if you watch from the other bedrooms, this one is exclusive. The bed setting.
Yeah, it's unique.
Yes. So that's why I told you this is one of our exclusive apartments. Yes. So.
Oh, that's nice.
And the AC works 24/7. You see, it's direct to you.
Yeah.
You'll be the one to turn it off, actually. So you have your mirror here where you can check your stuffs and all that. And this room,
I love the way the mirror is.
yes, and you have your
drawers,
your drawers here where you can keep your stuffs. So this is the other room. Everything's spacious and all good for your stay here in the apartment.
I noticed you have smaller beds.
Yes, yes. Apart from
different from the master's
yes,
bedroom. The bed in the master's bedroom is bigger.
it's bigger, yeah. So this is the convenant. You can see it's a very spacious one at that. Yes.
Oh, this is nice.
So we make sure we give you the best. I think due to some guests that are in other apartments, even in one of our 1-bedroom, I would have showed you that
So
too.
they have guests here.
Yes, we have guests there. So
Can you tell us what distinguishes this Airbnb apartment from the other Airbnb apartment that we have?
all right. First of all, we prioritize your security.
Okay.
Yes, we prioritize that, and that's why we are registered under Airbnb.
Okay.
Because normally there are apartments whereby you can just go in and you lodge, and if anything happens, you might not hold them responsible for it. But we as a brand, Vicole Luxury Apartments, under Airbnb, the one thing that should come to your mind is your security is secured. Because if anything should happen to you, they can report to Airbnb. And if they query us, we are not able to give a tangible feedback to them. Yes, they are going to sue us. Okay. So we prioritize your security. That's number one. Okay. Then your comfort. We make sure that you are comfortable in our apartments. Okay. We make sure that we give you the best services, whereby you can recommend or refer us to another person. Okay. Because that's one thing I believe that takes a business to a very far place. Yeah. When people can be able to trust you and recommend, it means that you're a brand to be trusted. So number one is security. You make sure that you are safe. You don't need to come here and be scared of what's going to happen to you. You are in safe hands. Then our service is top notch. That's good to know. Top notch. And our hospitality management is very, very wonderful. It's very wonderful.
So you're in charge of the Abia apartment?
Yes. Yes.
So how do you people have a reception?
Yeah.
So can we go and see the reception?
Sure, you can see our reception. All right. We make sure that you are very, very safe. And we also make sure that we take note of, and we have where we write down names of people that come to see you. Okay. So that in case anything happen, we'll know the last person that visited and call. You get? So let me show you the reception. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, this is your reception?
Yeah, this is our reception.
Okay.
Yeah, we make sure that we get everything detailed. Very, very detailed, because we believe in detailing here. Yeah. We make sure that everything is being detailed. So this is our reception. And to tell you the love we have for art, we had to have a stock for art.
So once you come here, you'll be able to know the
time differences.
The time in UK, yes. The time in US.
And also in Nigeria.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So these books, what are they for?
Okay, they are just decors.
Okay, just for decoration.
Yeah, they are just for decorations. Okay. You know, just for decor. Right? Yeah. So make sure that you can also see this one, yes. This work of art. This artwork. Oh, nice. So we make sure that everything looks luxury and natural. So that's why we have this pot of flowers in every of the apartments, so that it will be like, so that's just it.
So thank you so much for taking us around this apartment.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you coming, Mr. Annie, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I really see what you're doing out there, and we encourage the movement. So, and we are so happy to have you in our apartment today. It's quite a pleasure.
Thank you.
Quite a pleasure. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, guys, we've taken time to show you this apartment. So when next you visit Aba, know that we have a new apartment, Vicole Luxury Apartment, here in the city of Aba, Southeast Nigeria. Thank you for watching to this point. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.